In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a website. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a website. I'm going to give us three quick steps on how to go about creating a website. Three quick steps on how to create a website. You know, for you to create a website, you have to choose a building platform. There are different building platforms. Let me mention them. I'm on step 1 now. We're choosing a website building platform. There are a lot of website building platforms. You have www.blogger.com. I'm going to mention them in the description box below. Blogger.com, www.blogger.com. You also have WordPress.com. You have also it's a free website building, platform. You also have Wix.com, Wix.com. You have Blogger.com. You have WordPress.com and many other blogging platforms. But in this tutorial, I will suggest you use WordPress because they have a lot of plugins you can use to create a very good website. They have website plugins you can upload or download to build a very fanciful website. So the Blogger is also a free blogging platform. You can also use Blogger. You can also use WordPress. These are the most popular website building platform. So the next step, after you have chosen your blogging, your building your website building platform like Blogger and WordPress, what you have to do now is, okay, fine, you choose your web address. You have to get a domain and a web hosting. That's it, step 2. Already now you have selected, okay, you're going to blog under WordPress. So the next one you have to choose now a domain name and the web hosting. So you choose your domain name. So your domain should not be the letters in your domain should not be more than 15 letters. So if possible, let it be less than 11. So you choose a domain name. What you want to do? mybusiness.com. So mybusiness.com, or whatever business you want to do, put it name.com. That is where you select. So you go to a domain registration platform to go and register that domain you are choosing. First of all, you check whether that domain is registered before. If it's available for you to register, you register the domain. You pay a little money and register the domain. That you want to use. You have to host your website. So you have to host your website on that domain. So after you have registered your domain, next thing is to do is the same. We are still in step 2, is to host that domain. So you go to web hosting sites. The web hosting sites you have many of them that are hosting, that are web hosting. So you have Hostinger. We have Hostinger. Presently, I'm using Hostinger now. Okay. You also have ones like Bluehost. Bluehost is also a good web hosting site. The other ones that I can also use that are there that I can also use, but I recommend Hostinger or Bluehost for you to host your website. Go to Bluehost and register. You want to host your website, and you will pay a token to keep the site running. So that's how you can host your website. You first of all get a domain, and also you get a web hosting site that will host your domain. Don't forget that you are also you are already choosing your blogging platform, which is your website building platform, which is which you are using as you want to use the WordPress or something. So once you get your web hosting platform, like for Bluehost and Hostinger, you can easily install your WordPress after you have hosted the platform. From there, you install your WordPress. So the next step, which is the last step now, is for you to set up your website. Customize how you want the feel and look of the website. You customize them, your home page, your about page, your contact page, and other links that you want to be on the website. All the whole pictures you have for your website, that's where you can upload all of them. You can also have plugins. Since we are using the WordPress, a lot of plugins you can use also to make your website look fanciful. You know, these are the three major steps you need to use to set up a quick step. You need to set up a quick and running website as quickly as possible. Within 10-15 minutes, your website is up and running. So if you want to build a website and you don't know how to go about it, you can just contact me with the comment box below, and I can build a website for you. I can also register the domain for you, do the web hosting for you, set up the website for you, whatever you want the website to do for you. You want to be on any particular niche. It could be on a cooking website where you talk about cooking. It could be on fashion website. But it could be also e-commerce. Irrespective of what your niche is and your content is now. It could be on how-tos website. Whatever the content you want to be on your website. It could be hosting a school, your school website. Whatever you want to do, just contact me with the comment box below, and I will also I'll answer you, you know, as soon as possible, and make sure that your site is running. Because I'm a blogger and also a content creator, also a website designer, so I will make sure that your site is up and running in no distant time, and you start enjoying the benefits of having a website. Thanks for watching. This is a short tutorial on this. You also many other things that I didn't say here will also be put in the description boxes below. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching, and God bless you for watching.